fly like a bird, what you heard, Elmo, big bird, I'm first, you third, what's the word, I don't know, you scared, I'm lit.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Naya. How do you do? Alright. But today y'all, we're gonna be doing a cooking video because I said I was gonna do that. But we're gonna be doing a cooking video today. We're gonna be cooking chicken and shrimp Alfredo. Okay. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna wash the meat and then put it right here on the chopping board. When I get finished washing the meat, I'll come back. And now I'm finna go put some water up in a pot, like this kind of pot. I put it up in here, like I ain't gonna fill it up all the way, but I'll put some water up in here, and then I'll put the noodles up in here. But before I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the eye on. I'm using these kind of. Okay, so I forgot to say that. I don't know what I was gonna say. But I forgot to put the ingredients, and I know a lot of people want the ingredients before they do all the other junk. So I put the ingredients on the screen somewhere. So now I'm gonna get this salt right here, this girl with the umbrella, and we're gonna put it inside the water. Spray some of this oil up in there. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut some of this fat off of this meat. And I'm gonna show y'all, hold on. Alright, so here it looks. This how it looks. So we're gonna put this one over here somewhere. Like, just move it out the way. Alright, this one. See, I just cut that fat off. Some of it does tear off though. But I'm just gonna speed it up so y'all can see. Bruh, I'm not finna cook all of these things. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the chicken up in cubes, and then I'll come back to that. But right now, the water is starting to smoke, so that means it's really getting hot. So I'm gonna start putting my noodles up in there, you know, over there. And because the noodles going up in there, some noodles, well, a lot of noodles cook fast. So, I gotta hurry up with the meat and stuff. Now I'm gonna cut this chicken up into, and yeah. Okay, so let's go. I mean, not small pieces, but cubes, kind of, sort of. I'll be back when I get finished and I'll just show y'all. Okay, so I'm done cutting the chicken. Okay, so I'm done cutting the chicken up into cubes. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Okay, so now this is the ghetto part. So I'm gonna get a grocery bag. I will get a Ziploc bag, but I don't know where they at. So we're gonna use these. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some flour up in here. Alright, so what you do next is, okay, so all this stuff can't fit over here, so I'm just gonna put it here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some red pepper crushed up in here. We ain't gonna put that in. Okay, that's enough. Next is a little paprika because we gotta give it a little spice on it. Put some paprika up in there. And then some garlic powder. And then some onion powder. Usually the onion powder and the garlic powder, I put a little bit more of it than the other seasonings because you gotta have that Italian taste, and I just feel like these two gives Italian to me. Next is some pepper, because if it get a little bit too salty, you got the pepper to calm it down. Some parsley flakes, I put some of it up in there. Not that many. Some seasoned oil. The girl with the umbrella, you know, she the goat. Okay. Put a little bit up in there because I feel like this kind of sauce. And then some Old Bay seasoning. Just a tad bit of it to give it a little color. Okay. Now I'm gonna go put all these up and I'll be right back. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shake this up. And then our big pot, pan, whatever this is, we're gonna put it on the stove and we're just gonna cut the eye on about like mid-high. So we're gonna put that on right there. And then now we're gonna put the some of the chicken cubes up in there, just some of them. So like, just put some of them. I'm gonna take this up, put the chicken up in there, you know, divide. So I'm gonna stir my noodles. Now I'm gonna get some coconut oil. And I'm gonna get a spoon. Well, a fork and I'm gonna get some of this coconut oil and I'm just gonna put a tad bit on there to make it like some grease or something, but like just like a little bit to get that bottom layer and maybe a little bit around it. So, yeah. I would say about a tablespoon, about a tablespoon of coconut oil if you want to measure it. Oh no, I don't know measurements. While we waiting for the oil to get hot, we're gonna start cutting up our garlic. So we're gonna put this chicken over here and wait for the oil to get hot. And ooh, our garlic is this big old thing right here. So I really don't know how to cut up garlic. I just do what I think it is. So I just peel this thing off. And I just took one of these things off of there. I took one of these off. And then peel the shell back. This thing big. Okay, so it's not working. So we're gonna cut both ends of the garlic. Ooh. And now we're gonna peel it back. All the shells. I'm gonna leave that big garlic right there, just in case I use it. Now I'm gonna wash this little thing. I'm gonna cut it up. I'm gonna slice it up. Y'all know. I think the oil ready. Now I'm gonna start cooking my chicken. Y'all wanna see? Okay. If y'all see some flour, that's because my phone got flour on there. But I'm gonna put all this chicken up in here. Okay, so that's how it looks. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some more coconut oil up in there. And I'm gonna let it roll around a little bit. Make sure you get that oil everywhere. And just let that do that. I'm just gonna put my top on there until I get ready for it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go wash my hands and we're gonna start on the shrimp. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut a little, chop these garlic up a little bit more to be a little bit more diced because I want them really, really small. Okay, so I'm gonna move this chicken and garlic over here and the flour with okay, hold on. I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of my chicken up in this flour and shake it up, and then we're gonna start with the shrimp. Okay, so I'm gonna stir the noodles up and take this off. Ooh, it's popping. You know, keep it on there till it get golden. But yeah, I need a spatula. We're gonna stir our noodles up. Set up. Okay, so our noodles is done. Let me show y'all how this chicken looks. Okay, so the chicken is done, so I'm just go ahead and put this chicken on a plate and then start my other chicken up. Keeping it on the same height. I mean, what's it called? Whatever it's called. I'm gonna keep it on high, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my other whatchamacallits in there. No, actually, I'm gonna put this over here. Ooh, it's hot. And I'm just gonna drain my noodles, I think. Hold on. No, I'm not gonna drain my noodles, but I did turn the eye off. So we're gonna put this back over here. And then we're gonna put our meat. Now we're gonna put the pan over there for the shrimp, and I'm gonna just show y'all. I gotta wash the shrimp and then I'm gonna season it. So I cut the eye down because it's doing the absolute most. Okay, so I got the shrimp with the shell on, but I'm gonna keep the tail on there. But yeah, okay, yeah. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed the meal, and it was bussin'. But yeah, bye y'all. Become a new chicken nugget in your
Okay, I'm fly like a bird, what you heard, Elmo, big bird, I'm first, you third, what's the word, I don't know, you scared, I'm